Hello, I hope everybody's fine today, and here is the remake of the Tornado GR1 in Gulf War era colours. It's just desert sand from Tamiya, so it's probably not exactly accurate and the lighting is different, but it's slightly less tan-like than the other previously. As you can tell, with a slightly different shade of the tail, which is the original tail, and the rest of it. I'll tell you which parts are from before. So we've got the tail fin and the two wings. We've got the various tanks and stores. This central pylon here is original, well, previous kit. The wheels themselves are original from the previous kit, and this, I think it's this one or that one of the two. Gear door is original, and I think this gear door in the nose is original. Plus, like I say, the original tail without the these radio thingies here, and the instrument panel inside is original too. Anything else I can think is original? Don't mean to be slurring. I think I just got a bit of a frog in the throat, as they say. Yeah, pretty much that's it. But quite a few original parts. I've repainted things. I could do some weathering here as well, show some oil stains perhaps if I get around to it, but as far as I'm concerned, this is done for now. Got a bit of a wear and tear on the tanks. It's the same aircraft I'm depicting. It's the MiG-Eater version, which I'll probably include a link to the previous time I built this kit. I've got black to represent gaps where the air would have come out here in certain circumstances. I don't know tornadoes very much to say what's what, but I built a few in my time. So there we are, just a quick view of today. I've got the tail articulated. There's a bar through the middle to hold the tail so you can have it adjustable. And I used the edge of the tail fin to the elevators to know where to put this decal here on. There's a bit of coloured marking on the side. Those aren't the original seats either, so I used them, which seem to be more, the original seats aren't very deep, so I thought they'd be better suited. Anyway, I hope that looks better on a larger screen than it does on my camera. But there we are, as I say for the 20th time, there we are. It's my catchphrase, I think. I didn't bother to try to make that glass. I just painted silver on the targeting section, but got all the decals on it and tried to paint it a bit, and so there. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope it wasn't too exciting for you. Oh, I did a bit of dry brush painting on the decal, which goes to the joint over there, but these wings don't move, but they are the original wings, which was good to be able to get back on there. So there we are, my rebuild of the Tornado by the Italeri kit. And like I say, I hope you didn't get too excited about watching it. Kept calm through all the thrills and spills of the video. And speak to you again, hopefully with a clearer voice. So, bye for now. Ta-da.